guys, welcome to my channel. My name is Eva and in today's video I will be applying flaxseed gel on my hair. If you're new to my channel, I have been trying a lot of natural treatments for the hair in order to promote new hair growth, to make my hair smoother, silkier and healthier. I feel like we all are pretty much familiar with the great benefits of flax seeds when consumed. They have great nutritional value, but applying it on the hair is something new for me. I did a research and it has very great benefits for the hair as well, so I decided to give it a try. There's nothing to lose, it's a natural product, it's easily accessible, so I decided to give it a try. Let's just go ahead and prepare the gel so we can apply it and see how my hair will turn out. If you're new to my channel, I would love if you subscribe now for more similar videos. You also want to use this type of flax seeds, which are actually the seeds, not the ground flax seeds or the flaxseed meal. You can use either brown flax seeds or gold flax seeds. They have pretty much the same nutritional value and they will do the same for the hair. I'm using 2 cups of filtered water just because the water here is very hard and has a lot of minerals. Once the water starts bubbling, I will be adding about 4 tablespoons of flaxseed, and 2 cups of water will give you the perfect gel consistency. And while it is cooking, I want to mention some of the great hair benefits that made me really want to give this treatment a try. It adds moisture, supposedly it increases hair growth, improves scalp circulation, conditions the scalp, adds shine, and it is a humectant, which means it adds moisture and retains moisture in the hair shaft. I cook mine for about 15 minutes. After the 10th minute, you can see it starts thickening and forming the gel. You don't have to stir it all the time, but give it a stir here and there so it doesn't stick to the pan. It is not a rocket science, so don't be stressed about the cooking process. There is not much that can go wrong with it. Just either you can get a very liquidy consistency or a little bit thicker, but you can work with either of those. I will turn it off and let it cool down. And after it's off the stove, it thickens a little bit more. The easiest way to get the gel out is to use a cheesecloth. This method worked perfectly for me, so I wouldn't recommend a strainer that I have seen some other people using. The process gets a little bit messy, so make sure you're doing it over a surface that you can easily wipe and clean afterwards. The great thing was that it was easy to wash out of the table. It wasn't sticky, just a little bit weird texture. You can keep this mixture in an airtight container for up to a month. First thing is wear an old t-shirt or something that you don't care to mess up. It is easy to wash out afterwards. It is not sticky or greasy. You can start by detangling the hair. And I also like to massage my scalp. Just it helps loosens any dead skin cells. It brings blood to the scalp and this will result in better absorption of the treatment. Very weird because it's, look at this. Have you seen anything like this? Okay, I'm going to start with my roots. It's kind of weird, you guys. I've never seen anything like this. But it's easy to apply, kind of like it's easy to saturate all the hair. Like my roots are saturated, I will work some through the length of the hair. I'll just massage my roots with the tips of my fingers just to make sure like it's well distributed. Twist it, put it in a bun. I think I'm gonna put a shower cap on just to make things even better. It has been about 2 hours and I'm going to wash it out of my hair. It was really easy to wash it out considering how weird it looked when I was applying it. I rinsed the gel out of my hair, then I shampooed once with my regular shampoo, followed by a hair mask that I use as a conditioner. Okay, so I just shampooed my hair and blow dried it, and this is the result. I honestly don't think it is like anything dramatic. There is a little bit shine and my hair is soft, but on the other hand doesn't feel very moisturized. There is a little bit shine, but nothing extreme, and I have seen my hair shinier with other treatments, especially like coconut treatment, and I also feel like my hair is a little bit on the dry side right now, so maybe that is why this is not a miracle for me. I would rather do an oil treatment. By far this is not my favorite hair treatment, but I will do it few more times to see how my hair will respond next time and afterwards, just because I feel like it is not very moisturizing, but my hair feels like smoother and just a tiny bit shinier. A lot of those natural products and beauty treatments, you need to give them a little bit time before they show you result, just because they work very slowly. They're not like those products that you buy from the store and they give you instant result. They need a little bit more time to work and do their magic, so I will try it a few more times. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you liked it, please give it a thumbs up. If you enjoy this type of content, don't forget to subscribe to my channel. I post videos every week and I would love to have you around. Thank you, and I will see you guys next time. Bye!